What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I just need to get this off my chest, right? Because I said maybe, I don't know, 2 months ago, something like that, I talked about how I was comfortable with the XRP that I have. Well, I'm getting to a point to where I am now like almost like paid off my student loans that have a 7% interest. Actually, I just paid off my last one that has 7% interest just today, and I still have a little bit of extra money to kind of throw around and have around there. I don't want to continue to buy cryptocurrency. I said I was done buying anything new because I have a lot that's here that I built up in the bear market, as well as buying some within the low stages that they're at. Um, but I told people that I had 80,000, XRP, and I was good with 80,000 XRP. Well, I folded, right? I'm continuously folding at this point. I'm going to buy more XRP. Somebody in my comment section today or my chat today said I have 100 and what was it, 60,000 XRP, 155 or something like that, and made me feel like I didn't have a lot. And somebody in the comments did say, 80,000 is a lot. You should be happy with 80,000. But I like XRP. I really like XRP, and I think it's going to have a bright future, right? Obviously, I've talked about it in plenty of times and how far that will go. Um, so I'm folding and I'm buying more XRP. Now, there's two stages to this where I will buy XRP as well as I will, gather XRP through standard processes. And I'll talk about those things. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, definitely do that. Now, the first way, and I'll get right into that because I want to talk about Margex as well. The first way that I plan on doing this for gathering more XRP would be through Margex. I think Margex is a great way to do that because I can leverage any position, and whenever I leverage that position, I could, trade XRP. I can leverage XRP to get more XRP. If you don't know, the first way that I even gained the amount of XRP that I have now, which is about $41,000 worth of XRP, was not through just purchasing a bunch of XRP. Some of it was, not all of it, but majority of it was through gains that I had within Margex. I was throwing money into Solana. Solana flew from a level of $60 up to $200. I was throwing money into AVAX, and AVAX ran up. I was throwing money into Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and all of those, and I was making thousands and thousands of dollars over on Margex by trading at a 5x, 10x leverage, 15x leverage, gathering my initial investment plus profit, putting all of that into XRP, whether I was leveraging XRP or not. I was doing that. And it made it so easy. Any kickback that I got from Margex, from you guys signing up, I would utilize that for XRP. So it was like free XRP without even having to really do much besides, the trading aspect of it. So if you don't know what Margex is, feel free to check out my link for Margex down below. It's leverage trading where you can leverage up to 100x leverage. XRP you can leverage 50x leverage on, and if you scroll down here, all you have to do is see this. It says 50x XRP, and you'll be able to go through honestly some of the best charting you could have, which they use trading view, which is some of the best charting you can have out there for recognizing trends and building different strategies and having a dynamic update within a position. So feel free to check this out. If you guys want help with Margex, all you have to do is go over to Patreon and reach out to me. That's the best place to reach out to me privately, and we can talk about Margex, and we can talk about your trading strategy and everything there. But yeah, you can trade up to 50x leverage and do all that. So like I said, this was one of my plans, one of my ways of doing this. And you can see within my wallet, I now have an extra 1,820 that's sitting out here and that's available. But I do have $139 that's in orders. Some of it is down, some of it is up. but I'm able to do it at a 5x leverage, 10x leverage, whatever that may be. But you can see here that I have almost 2,000 XRP total here. Now, also, I have another way of doing it, which is going to be me just purchasing XRP. Now, if you don't know, I hold majority of my XRP over on Coinbase, which I will bring up in a little bit. I just got to change it from advanced to regular Coinbase. But if I go over to my assets on Coinbase, you would see that the largest amount that I hold is XRP. The largest balance that I hold is XRP. I currently have 80,802. So if you didn't know, I had 80,000, basically 80,000 flat. I just recently bought about 800 XRP just because I had a little bit left that was in there, and anything that I do, send over that's cash or whatever, I'm going to buy it from there. Or if I have, my bank account, obviously I could just pull it directly from there and buy what I want to buy. I want to hold, and I said this before, I want to hold 100,000 XRP. At this rate, 100,000 XRP would be worth $51,000. And I'm currently at $41,000, meaning that I would need another, you know, I would need another 20,000 to get that, right? I would need another $10,000 to get that. For some reason, I blanked a little bit. I would need another $10,000, 20,000 XRP in order to give me 100,000. Now, like I said, I also have 2,000 that's sitting over in Margex. Anything that I do gain, anything that I do take as profit, I will let you guys know and give you an update on when I hit, if I do hit 100,000 XRP. Because anything below a level of 70 cents, in my opinion, can be purchased for XRP. That's my level. That's what I'm looking at. And the last levels that I bought was around, 60 cents or so. But either way, I plan on buying more. I plan on consistently buying more and consistently holding more. And I will let you guys know exactly when I hit 100,000. Now, you let me know if you're for XRP or against XRP. Let me know if this is a wise decision or if I should put that money into something else, because I could put it in a Litecoin, which is at a great spot right now. Should I get back into just continuously buying cryptocurrency? Because I feel like Litecoin is low. I feel like Teller is low, different positions that I have. Solana is not really low, but it's definitely on the lower side compared to being at $200+. So there's many opportunities that are out there. Or should I just continue to focus on XRP as my major player? There's a lot of people that are for or major on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin maxis or Solana maxis or Ethereum maxi. I don't have Bitcoin or Ethereum. I have Ethereum for trading, but I don't have either of those for my long-term investing. Besides, like ETFs for Bitcoin and eventually ETFs for Ethereum. But XRP could be my major player and continuously investing into that as my major player for the long run. Doesn't have the same level of gains that everything else has, but the impact that XRP could have and will have, especially with Ripple versus the SEC and everything that's going on there. So I want to know your opinion there. Please tell me everything that you, any knowledge that you do have about XRP, if this is a wise decision in your opinion. No matter what you guys say, I'm not going to change my mindset because my strategy is my strategy. But I do like to hear you guys out and understand where you're coming from all angles. Doesn't mean that I'm going to change though, because this is my investment strategy. It's worked for me thus far, and I'm going to continue that investment strategy. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.